Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Proton Drive account in 2026. So if you want a secure place to store your files, photos, or documents in the cloud, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Proton Drive website, then click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Next, you'll see different plans. You can start with the free plan or choose a paid option depending on how much storage you need. Now enter your email address and set a strong password. Make sure it's secure and not easy to guess. Next, check your email inbox and click the verification link sent by Proton. This step is required to activate your account. Now log in to your account. You'll be taken to your Proton Drive dashboard where you can manage and upload your files. Next, you can start uploading files and creating folders to keep everything organized and easy to access. Now it's a good idea to enable extra security settings like two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. And that's it. You've successfully created a Proton Drive account. Now you can securely store and access your files anytime, anywhere. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.